climb up that ramp, and it does. It's actually okay. So everyone, this video we're going to make an unboxing. Inside this package is supposed to be a 16 channel remote control excavator. I paid for 1,500 pesos for this. Okay, so there it is, 16 channel. Let's see. Okay, so okay, hold on. Let me open it here. Okay. Okay, so let me pull it out. Okay. So that's everything inside the box. Okay, do believe these are manual. Okay, so 2 batteries. We've got a canister of, there's no oil. Do believe there's no oil inside. Okay, so here's our remote. It's made of plastic. Okay, let me read the manual first, okay, and then I'll come back to you. So we've got 2 batteries. So actually I just bought one with an extra battery. Let me charge this first, okay? Anyway, I'm done reading the manual. I've actually familiarized myself with this now. Before I'll show you how we can start to use this. I think I omitted to show you. Maybe you're curious. Now, as far as I'm concerned, the entire thing is made of plastic. I do believe, with the exception of the bucket, this is made of aluminum. Okay, but again, the entire thing is made of plastic. Okay, they also provided us with spare parts. Okay, and a screwdriver. Not going to use that. This, I do believe, is also it's flimsy, so I'm gonna assume it's plastic as well. And contrary to what I said earlier, this is not meant for oil, but for water. Okay, so let's proceed. So the manual says before you connect the battery, make sure that it is in the off position. You can find that here. Okay, but before we connect the battery, let's put some water inside here. This, I do believe, is supposed to mimic smoke from the engine. Let me add one more. Okay, that should be enough. Let's close that. Connect the battery. Now, as for the battery, you need your phone charger. Okay, but it works. Uh, it charges in a little about 30 to 1 hour. It's going to light up red, and as soon as it's fully charged, it's going to turn off. So let's connect this like so. Okay, put the cover back on. So that's why they provided us with a screwdriver, so that you can close this, only finger tighten. Now, as for the remote, already put batteries inside here. It takes 2 AA batteries. Okay, so we can now proceed. Here's the switch on and off for the remote. Okay, in that position, it's turned on, so off. Okay, Okay, so let me turn on the toy. Okay, so to start the toy, turn on the remote. Okay, you see that? Looks like a key. Press that, and you're going to see the machine turn on. Okay, so as you can see, I don't know if you can see that, it's already spewing smoke or steam. Okay, you can turn that off here, and you can also turn off the sound of the engine. Okay, you can turn that on. You have your horn here. Okay, let's turn that off again. You also can turn the lights on off. Okay, so this is for forward and reverse. Forward and reverse also here. Okay, and this is for left and right. Okay, and this is to actuate the arm. Now, as for the actuation of the arm, it's just really one actuation, up and down. Okay, contrary to what we see in real excavators, you can actually articulate just the bucket and so on and so forth. This one is just basically up and down. Okay, I'll show you. So you can do that up and down, and you can also do this. See? So there's no really separate actuation for just the bucket or that arm or this, maybe we can call that the elbow. Okay, so this is for the rotation. Now be mindful of the rotation. It doesn't go, I mean, it goes 360, but it has its limits. Okay, I'll show you. See, only that, the other way around. Be careful not to force it. Maybe you're going to destroy some gears. Okay, let me see. Don't overdo that, otherwise the gears might uh, break a tooth. Okay, so anyway, what else? I'm not entirely sure what this is. Let's try. Okay, just move out of the frame. Let's do that again. Okay, let's reverse, bring it into frame, but it just goes automatic. Okay, gonna turn that off, reverse. So anyway, let's again turn the smoke on. You see? Hold on, let me show you a much more closer look. It's actually nice. You see that? Anyway, okay, so again, you see, it's actually very nice. Rotate here, actuate the bucket. Like I've said, it only does that. It's actually quite powerful, okay? I'm actually quite surprised with that one small battery. 3.7 volts, it's able to power this thing, okay? The thread tracks, I mean, is made of, hold on. The tracks is made of rubber, okay? Let me show you much more closer look. So left, right. It turns actually both once you actuate the left and right, okay? That's why it's able to turn 360, okay? Okay, so let's try if that can go. Okay, just pushes it. The bucket is not able to push the, unlike real excavators, you would be able to see them push themselves up. Okay, so anyway, that's it. But okay, so let's try and see if That's my cat actually. Say hello to her. Her name is Syra. Let's actually see if this can climb up that ramp. And it does. It's actually quite powerful. I reckon that's about a little more than 30 degrees inclined. Okay. Uh, this is amusing. Okay, again, it's actually very nice. Now, don't expect me to try to use this on sand, okay? I intend to give this as a gift. But do believe that's it. I'm just actually quite happy for this. Quite happy with this. I reckon growing up as a kid, I remember remote control toys are very, very, very expensive. Okay, uh, not a lot of people, not a lot of kids for that matter, can afford to have one. Now, considering I just paid for 1,500 pesos for this, okay, and it only has one battery, 3.7 volts. I'm not actually sure as to the running time. I'd guess at the most maybe 30 to 1 hour continuous playing. That's why I bought two batteries. Now, considering it only takes about 30 to 1 hour to charge it, so I do believe one extra battery is enough. Now, like I've said, I'm actually really happy and with this. Okay, I'm actually wanting to purchase one for myself. This brought out the kid in me again. Okay, like I've said, I remember growing up as a kid, remote control toys are far too expensive. Okay, so considering this, just again 1,500 pesos inclusive of shipping. You have this, you have the articulation of the bucket. Okay, it can go 360 left and right up the ramp. This is a very good price. So anyway, I do believe that's it. I do believe I'm going to end this video here. No, I'm sorry, like I've said, not going to use this on sand. I'm actually going to clean that up because I intend to wrap this up again. I'm not going to take out the batteries, including the water, so that way, when I give this as a gift, the kid is only just going to play with it. Okay, and so before I end this video, I'm not advertising for this product. I'm not actually entirely sure if there's a brand name, although it says, I don't know what that is. Stasing, strong. Oh, okay, it says strong. Not entirely sure if that's the product name, but uh, not advertising for this product, nor am I affiliated or associated with any sellers online that sells this item. I bought this to give it as a gift for someone. So I figured I'm gonna install the batteries and everything. Make sure that it's perfect. That way, when you give it away, it's perfect working condition. Okay, so I hope you like this video. I hope you found this helpful and informative. If you do, let me know in the comments below. Like, share, subscribe if you want to. Only if you want to. And as always, thank you for watching.